62 degrees. Let's get a check of our weather, shall we, with meteorologist Byron Miranda.
All right, guys. Nice day yesterday, and today's going to be good too, although we're going to see a little bit cooler temperatures depending on where this frontal system is. That's the problem. But right now, blue skies, it says. But that's not the case north and west of us. As you can see, the darker shade of green, seeing some light rain. This is where the front is. And it's igniting some showers. Now, we have the chance of seeing some good thunderstorms today as this frontal system, if it moves toward us. That's a big if because it's stationary. It's not attached to the upper level winds, so we really don't know what it's going to do. But what I'm going to tell you is the Storm Prediction Center says that we could have the threat of some severe weather. So as we look at the rain futurecast, none of that impresses me, not even at 5 o'clock. But watch what happens by, 11 p.m. When you see the reds over LaGuardia, Elmhurst, Glendale, East New York, through Yonkers, Westchester, that's not good. That's a lot of lift. And when you have that, you have strong updrafts and downdrafts. You can get high winds, heavy rain, thunderstorm activity, lightning, and hail. So we could see some gusty winds tonight. The threat of a tornado is very low. However, we are looking at the possibility of some hail if this front pushes toward us. Now, story number two, we're talking about above average temperatures for April. We're just about done, right? So if you look at this year versus last year, we were running even warmer than last year while we're above the average. Almost 4.5 degrees above last year, so that's for Central Park. But what really, I think, applies to all of us is the fact that if you live in the Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, or Queens, I use LaGuardia for you, you've been running about 4.5, almost 5 degrees above average. The same for close in Jersey and for Jersey, for Newark, about 5 degrees. Your temperatures at this hour, we start with New Rochelle, 57. 62, right? 62 at Lenox Hill. We're only 4 degrees off where we should be for a high. With winds out of the southwest, if that front stays to the north of us, we could see temperatures in the upper 70s to 80 degrees from Soho, Jamaica, Queens, New Rochelle, and Diggs Hills. Now, watch what happens on Saturday. Southwest wind, warm air advection, brings the warmth from the Gulf of Mexico. I've said it a million times. You know it by now. When I talk about northwest winds, you know that's bringing air out of Canada at this time of year. It drops the temperatures. So we're talking about temperatures only in the 40s Saturday morning. Real quick shout out, though, to Dr. Carly Doran, Dr. Carly Doran, and Dr. Stephen. As you look at the 7-day, big shout out to them for giving out the shots. Dr. Stephen and Dr. Carly Doran. Today, 80 degrees for a high, 68 tomorrow, and much cooler by Saturday.